Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of iHerb. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about iHerb and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of iHerb. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.